Most people think AI either remembers everything or nothing, but the truth is simpler than that. AI has different layers of memory, and what gets saved can vary. The four common ways AI tools remember information: chat, projects, custom GPTs, and user memory. It is important to note that most AI tools remember the current conversation, but these other types of memory vary depending on the tool. The most basic layer that we're going to focus on today is something called chat memory. Chat memory means the AI remembers what was said earlier in the same conversation. That means if you ask AI to write something and then ask it to improve part of it, the AI understands what you're referring to. The AI remembers the earlier parts of the conversation, so the interaction makes sense. This works really well when you're doing something step by step, for example, writing a resume. Once you've started a conversation with your resume pasted into the chat, you can continue to iterate, and it will remember the details of your resume. Each prompt builds on the previous one because the AI still has that context in the chat. If you start a new chat, it will no longer have the context of your pasted resume, and it will ask for it. That's because a new chat usually means a fresh memory. So, a simple rule that makes working with AI much easier is if you're working on the same task, stay in the same chat. If you're starting something new, start a new chat. This keeps the conversation clear and helps the AI give better responses. Let's look at Claude for an example. On the left, you can see the previous conversations in this tool. In this chat, I had previously shared a job description to evaluate skill requirements. If I continue within this existing chat, I can type a request to write an executive summary for my resume to align with the job description. I see a nice summary and a few additional notes about what was written. Note that you should always double-check results for accuracy and edit content to represent your own voice. Now, if I start a new chat and ask the tool to write an executive summary, it doesn't have the previous job description to reference. We can see that it prompts me to paste a resume and job description, meaning I'm starting from scratch with fresh memory. Now is the time for you to try this yourself. Open an AI tool and start a new chat. Include content like a document and ask AI to improve it. Continue to iterate within that same chat to improve your content. In the next video, we'll look at project memory in ChatGPT, which is where you can set it up to remember work across multiple conversations. Once you understand the different memory layers, AI becomes much more powerful as a thinking partner. Check out the various playlists on our channel for more hands-on AI examples. I'm Jeanette from GeekSpeak Translator. I love to simplify AI so you can move beyond the hype and use it intentionally.